Ario, who?
Loud shit. Chit. Let it breathe. I be like, yeah. 20, 40, 60, maybe 80. Kobe shots, I'm making 1/80. Born in the 90s, but I'm living like the 80s. Young old soul, got me feeling like I'm 80. Yeah, 20, 40, 60, maybe 80. Kobe shots, I'm making 1/80. Born in the 90s, but I'm living like the 80s. Young old soul, got me feeling like I'm 80. This be that old school cool flow. Riding through the D on my cool mode. Fresh boy, yeah, I got this. Ladies love Kango, so I be on my Todd Smith. Dress game lock, no key, no locksmith. Fashion jackers and the dapper dance can't rock with. This Fresh Prince with my hot top fade on. Shell toe Adidas with both of the lace gone. With my shades, check. Bomber jacket, check. Mr. T rope, feel like a ton on my neck. And we got the juice, I swear it's some of the best. And everything will go wrong unless you come in correct. Good or whatever, see the boy style go good with whatever. Plus I'm good with whatever. Ironic, the kid is the man. Feel like Christopher Reed and Christopher Reeves put together. Great time to be living, or sorta, I guess. There's politics everywhere, organized mess. Yes, I confess, I'm part of the fire, but I'm just focused on making hits. Young Mark McGuire, yo, so gotta be easy, gotta be careful. Tell you be quiet, give them an earful. Just understand that you gotta build a brand. So if ever they talking less than the grand, then they better give us 20, 40, 60, maybe 80. Kobe shots, I'm making 1/80. Born in the 90s, but I'm living like the 80s. Young old soul, got me feeling like I'm 80. Yeah, 20, 40, 60, maybe 80. Kobe shots, I'm making 1/80. Born in the 90s, but I'm living like the 80s. Young old soul, got me feeling like I'm 80.
This beat got me feeling myself. I feel like telling Jerry Jones, shit, I'm here, you need help. I got more niggas in my corner that I met through my childhood. That don't mean I run with every nigga that met through my childhood. 2050s, 100 shit, I'm feeling like Hollywood. Natural born hustler, I was born to be understood. The struggle got my mind right, and locked behind bars too. These kids got my past straight, I'm working on better roots. Money been the issue, I'm just working on better moves. A rapper in the asshole, bitch, I'ma tell the truth. I'm skipping all the talk, getting freaky, I get the room. If not, you have a good night, cause your friendship in line too. I don't have a bitch, so I don't have to go by the rules. Keep it copacetic, you might be the one I approve. You right, I ain't shit, but a nigga that's getting money, that want a wife with picket fences, cooking when I ain't hungry. I don't have a problem with this world, cause I'd rather live. But dying ain't the subject to my kids' bank account a meal. But all this fucking killing when they willing to go to jail. Got a nigga strapped like SWAT on the trip to hell. Sipping on the styrofoam, Henny and nothing else. Got me about to call her, tell her head and nothing else. Help out on that loud, you can smell it from where we left. My pee on my ass, I smell it but nothing else. No more like dope.
20, 40, 60, maybe 80. Kobe shots, I'm making 1/80. Born in the 90s, but I'm living like the 80s. Young old soul, got me feeling like I'm 80. Yeah, 20, 40, 60, maybe 80. Kobe shots, I'm making 1/80. Born in the 90s, but I'm living like the 80s. Young old soul, got me feeling like I'm 80. Yeah.